Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to block websites in the Google Chrome web browser. So this may not block certain websites from all browsers on the computer, and you can still disable and delete extensions. It's just an extension for Google Chrome that's on Web Store. I'll show you guys how to do it. Just need to open up Chrome. Select the three dot icon over here and select extensions and select visit Chrome Web Store. And now in the search store you just need to search for block 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 site. Press enter. You just need to scroll down. Block sites, stay focused. Click on this and now click on this add to Chrome and now select add extensions. Now this extension has been added guys, and now it has been opening. Select accept and just click on the skip option. Select skip and got it, and next and dismiss. And now you just need to select this add to block list. Click on it and you just need to select the category of it. Select website and now you just need to select the site you want to block list. I'm gonna block list Facebook, and after selecting it, select done. At this point this website is blocked guys. You can add one more website to this block list with the free version, otherwise you need to pay for it guys. This limit is 2 sites to block it, and after blocking this you just need to close it off here. And now just reopen the Chrome. Now we just need to go ahead and checking that Facebook has been blocked or not. For that I'm typing facebook.com to enter this site. Now you can able to see the site has been blocked. So if you want to remove from this block list, you just need to select this three dot icon and select edit block list. And now in this blocked items you just need to select the trash icon to clear it. That already free version of it, adult category, that has been added in default. If you want to keep it or delete it, that's up to your choice guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.